Hey guys, this is Erica. Today, let's meet the Field Settings node. The Field Settings node is like your data's personal stylist. It helps you organize and enhance your data in various ways. You can organize the fields, show the fields, rename the fields, or sort the fields to make your data easier to navigate. Add calculated fields to process the data. Doodle supports three types of calculated fields for the Field Settings node: formula, ranking, and running total fields. With formula fields, you can apply basic aggregation formulas and perform math, logic, text, and date operations. A formula field can only output data in three formats: number, text, date, and time. Select a data type to export the result. Add ranking rules to rank the field. You can also group your data for ranking, making it easier to compare different groups. For example, add the sales team as a grouping field to review the sales rankings separately in sales team A and B. The rankings will be recorded in an independent number field. When analyzing and comparing cumulative sales over time, try the running total field. Choose a field on which to run the total, and decide the order for calculation. Take the example of the sales. The order is to decide whether the calculation is from January to December or from December to January. If you want to compare the result for different teams, add a grouping field for the team. The results of a running total field will be recorded in an independent number field. For more detailed guidance, check out our help document for the Field Settings node. This is Erica. Thank you for watching. See you next time.